Alright, so this is my homemade Dukes Hazzard go-kart. The problem, this is what the pull start's doing. It's rolling easy, so I don't think it's the clutch. I think we found our problem. Yeah. I'm gonna wipe those two things down. Look at that. And pulls freely now. Look at that. That's in the spark plug hole. So, that oil coming out. There's not, see that? Look at that. I gotta screw the spark plug back in. I washed the air filter off the water hose. Got the spark plug back in. Just gonna let that air dry, put it back in. Should crank right up.